Alright, so now I'm going to show how this orrery is disassembled. That constant kind of clicking noise is my camera's autofocus going. So basically what happens there, I'll turn it off, and the sun comes off, over there, and each of these planets, Mercury is the hardest to take off. They just slide off these little concentric rods that they're on. So that this Mercury got a little hole in there. And then all of the rest slide off much more easily. And you can see each one of these rods actually goes all the way in, and they're each connected to their various gears down there. So my goal right now is to get to those gears. And that involves taking off all the planets, including Pluto, and that little thing, and then the dome. So now we're left with just one spike and all those gears in there, and then like that gear on top, that one's for Pluto, and then it just goes in until you get the inner four there, and each of them connects to these rods like this, and the sun goes up there and it doesn't move, it's got that thing down there. And the other thing is, that's not all the gears, because there's that gear in there and some batteries, and then underneath the black cover are some more. And that is the inside of the Orrery.